Guys, today we're going to discuss about actuators. In hydraulic, actuators convert the fluid power from the pump into a mechanical work. In mobile hydraulic system, actuators can be grouped as hydraulic cylinders, hydraulic motors. Hydraulic cylinder is a linear actuator. A hydraulic motor is a rotary actuator. Hydraulic cylinders. There are three types of hydraulic cylinder used: piston, vane, telescopic. Piston type cylinders. In hydraulics, both acting and double acting cylinders are used. In both types, a piston is moved linearly within the cylinder bore when it is subjected to pressurized door. A single acting cylinder is hydraulically actuated in one direction only. A double acting cylinder is hydraulically actuated in both directions. In application, a dam box lamp requires only a single acting cylinder, whilst the boom on an excavator requires a double acting cylinder. A single acting cylinder. In a single acting cylinder, hydraulic pressure is applied to only one side of the piston. Single acting cylinder may be either outward or inward actuated. When an outward actuated cylinder has hydraulic pressure applied to it, the piston and the load are forced outward to lift the load. When the oil pressure is levied, the weight of the load forces the piston and load back into the cylinder. One side of the single acting cylinder is dry. The side must be vented so that when oil pressure on the pressure side is levied, air is allowed to enter. Thus preventing a vacuum. In an outward actuated cylinder, the dry side of vent chamber is on the load side of the piston. When an inward actuated cylinder's hydraulic pressure applied to it, the load is pulled inward into the cylinder. This means the oil pressure acts as load side of the piston, and vent chamber is on the opposite side as shown. SU on the piston prevents oil leak from the wet side to the dry. SU on the piston prevents oil leakage from the wet side to the dry side of the cylinder. And the wiper seal is used to clean the load as it extends and retracts to prevent dirt from entering the dry side of the cylinder. A precious breather is used in an air vent. In some applications, the dry side of the cylinder is vented to the hydraulic receiver so that the cylinder can sponge oil in and out as it extends and retracts. This keeps the vented side lubricated, prevents condensation and oxidation from the ring within the cylinder.